I hate being alone, but at the same time, I don't like being around with other people. And yun siguro yung pinaka-struggle ko ever since I was a kid. And hanggang ngayon, I always find myself na kapag mag-isa lang ako, I feel like I have the need to be with someone or interact with someone. Pero at the same time, whenever na nakikipag-interact ako with other people or nakikipag-interact ako with other social groups, dun ko nahahanap yung sarili ko na parang pinipilit ko lang yung energy ko for them, no? Parang naiisip ko kasi na parang mas better na ibigay na lang yung energy ko na binibigay ko sa kanila sa sarili ko. No, if you get what I mean. I mean, it sounds so selfish, pero at the same time kasi parang kung ano kasi yung mas nag-work para sa'yo, yun yung kailangan mong gawin, 'di ba? Like if it's not necessary or if it's not the best for yourself, hindi mo naman kailangan pilitin eh. And I think yun yung isa sa mga major issues ng mga introverts like me. Ako kasi lumaki akong introvert. No, nung bata ako, I was the type of kid na puro video games lang yung pinagkakaabalahan ko. No? I was always the type of kid na yun laging nakaupo sa corner ng classroom. Na ayoko yung may katabi ako, ayoko yung may kausap ako, and parang I'm just minding my own business, di ba? Like no elementary kasi ako, I only had like three solid friends na naging kaibigan ko. And sila lang din kasi nag-approach sa akin eh. Hindi ako yung tipong tao na ma-approach. Naging friends lang kami dahil may mga same interest kami. Pero whenever may mga times na gusto nilang makipag-interact sa akin, hindi ko talaga feel yung vibe na ibalik sa kanila yun eh. Hindi ko talaga feel na i-reciprocate yung feeling to give back the energy that they're giving to me. Alam mo yung parang feeling na gusto mo naman samahan sila, no, out of, you want to be with them because they're your friends. Pero at the same time kasi parang mas nangingibabaw talaga yung feeling na I'd rather just be with myself and mind my own business. No? So parang para sa akin kasi parang nakaka-overwhelm talaga yung feeling na makihalubilo, makipag-interact. Pero I think na parang na-realize ko lang din nung medyo nag-mature na ako. Parang mas okay talaga ako na maging introvert lang ako eh. Kasi I feel like I could enjoy and do a lot more better kapag I'm just by myself. I always kinda hated being an introvert. Pero I realized sooner na apakaganda palang maging introvert. Kasi the more na mas naiisip mo yung sarili mo, the more na mas maiintindihan mo yung sarili mo. Kati ng ilonggo, tangina talaga. Pero for me, whenever na nafe-feel kong alone ako, or whenever na nafe-feel kong kailangan kong pilitin yung sarili kong makipag-interact with other people, gumagawa ako ng mga videos, no? Gumagawa ako ng ganito. Nakikipag-interact ako sa sarili ko. And in that way, mas nakikilala ko talaga yung sarili ko eh. Mas naiintindihan ko yung sarili ko. And tsaka siguro, naiintindihan ko rin kung bakit ito yung content na pinili kong gawin. Kasi in this way, I am able to interact with myself and learn more about myself. Kasi ang unang plano ko talaga, gusto ko maging motivational wannabe influencer. No? Parang preaching random shit na alam kong makakatulong for other people. Pero the ironic thing is parang the more na ginagawa ko tong mga videos na to, the more na natutulungan ko yung sarili ko. Kasi I'm gonna be honest, most of the times kasi parang lahat ng mga ginagawa kong videos, no? Lahat ng mga pinag-uusapan ko sa mga videos na pinopost ko, hindi ko naman talaga na-overcome yung mga bagay na yun eh. Parang ginagawa ko lang yun talaga for the sake of helping people and to be able to put content out there. Today, I just started journaling. No? Ito yung journal ko. And parang ito na rin yung script ko, to be honest. Like, kanina pa ako nag-journal and ito yung first time ko siguro mag-journal talaga. No, like, hindi ko talaga magets yung purpose or benefits ng pag-journal. Pero when I tried it today, parang parang gumaan talaga yung pakiramdam ko, eh, 'no. So, that's another thing that you can do, 'no, na kapag hindi ka komportable na kausapin yung sarili mo, I suggest that you journal, 'no, mag-journal ka and, just talk to yourself. Like, there's really nothing wrong with interacting with yourself kasi it just helps you even more. No, it helps you to get to know yourself even better. And another thing is keep in mind na you deserve to deliver your thoughts freely as anyone else. No? Ikaw lang naman talaga yung makakapag-validate sa sarili mo eh. So, yun lang yung take ko to be honest. And introvert is not a disadvantage. No? Okay lang maging introvert. Actually, mas okay siya. Pero yun lang naman. Siguro ang gusto ko lang talagang i-point out is whenever you feel lonely, always remember that you always have yourself. No? You always have yourself to interact with. Yung sarili mo lang talaga yung safe space mo. Kasi to be honest, you don't really need anyone else to feel happy, to feel validated, and to feel na nagmamatter ka. No? So, anyway, God bless and stay up. Peace.